Cera WAX is a decorative treatment for interiors to be used on top of mineral and synthetic surfaces. Its special formulation guarantees high level of brightness, several pearly shades, and soft water protection. The neutral version permits to emphasize the decorative effect without deep changes. The gold, silver, bronze, and Barocco gold versions give to the surface an extra decorative element. Prepare the surface with one layer of Nova Primer water-based acrylic pigmented sealer. Apply one smooth layer of Marmorino KS lime-based plaster for interiors and exteriors, color MKS 648 with a stainless steel trowel, leaving the surface slightly rough. Apply a second layer of Marmorino KS color MKS 648, smoothing down the surface. When the surface is completely dry, apply with a stainless steel trowel Cera WAX Silver ready to use. Drying time 24 hours approximately, depending on the type of substrate, absorption and environmental condition. Prepare the surface with one layer of Nova Primer water-based acrylic pigmented sealer. Properly treated substrate, apply one smooth layer of Marmorino KS color MKS 606 with a stainless steel trowel. Apply a thick layer of Marmorino KS color MKS 606 with the same trowel, working on wall portions of 1 or 2 square meters maximum. Before it dries out completely, Scratch the surface with a stainless steel trowel, slightly curved on the edges, or with a polyurethane trowel. When the surface is still slightly wet, compress it using a stainless steel trowel. When the substrate is completely dry, apply with a sponge trowel one layer of Cera WAX Neutra diluted 1:1 with water. Wait the surface to dry completely, then apply with a sponge trowel one layer of Cera Barocco Gold ready to use. Drying time 24 hours approximately, depending on the type of substrate, absorption, and environmental conditions. Prepare the surface with one layer of Nova Primer water-based acrylic pigmented sealer. Properly treated substrate, apply one smooth layer of marmor fine color MF82 with a stainless steel trowel. Apply a thick layer of marmor fine color MF82 and smooth down the substrate with a stainless steel trowel. Before it dries out completely, create the texture typical of travertine effect using a patik knife inclined at 45 degrees. Smooth down the surface still wet with a stainless steel trowel until achieving the texture desired. When the substrate is completely dry, apply with a sponge trowel Cera WAX Neutra diluted 1:1 with water. Drying time 24 hours approximately, depending on type of substrate, absorption, and environmental conditions. Prepare the surface with one layer of Nova Primer water-based acrylic pigmented sealer. On primed substrate, apply one smooth layer of Marmorino KS color MKS 632 with a stainless steel trowel. Apply a second layer of Marmorino KS color MKS 632 with a stainless steel trowel and work into the surface with a wet sponge trowel to create a uniform texture. On totally dry surface, apply with a sponge trowel one layer of Cera WAX bronze diluted 30% with water. Once the substrate is completely dry, apply a second layer of Cera WAX bronze, following the same procedure. Drying time 24 hours approximately, depending on the type of substrate, absorption, and environmental conditions. Prepare the surface with one layer of Nova Primer water-based acrylic pigmented sealer. On primed surface, apply one smooth layer of marble stone color MKS 660 with a stainless steel trowel. Apply a second layer of marble stone, color MKS 660 with a stainless steel trowel. Then compress and polish it, using a small amount of product on the surface still wet. Once the surface is completely dry, apply one layer of Cera WAX Gold ready to use, with a sponge trowel or with a glove. Drying time 24 hours approximately, depending on the type of substrate, absorption, and environmental conditions. Cera, the interior decorative finishes to create light and texture.